In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view time tracked in ClickUp. ClickUp is an all-in-one productivity platform that helps you organize your tasks, manage your projects, and track your time efficiently. Whether you're managing a personal to-do list or collaborating with a team, tracking your time in ClickUp can give you valuable insights into how your day is spent. Today, I'll guide you step by step through the process of viewing your time entries and summaries within ClickUp, so you can stay on top of your work and maximize productivity. To get started, open your browser and navigate to www.clickup.com. Once you're there, log into your ClickUp account. You can sign in using your email and password, or if you prefer, use one of the supported social sign-in options like Google or Microsoft. If prompted, complete any additional security steps, such as entering a verification code, to ensure your account stays secure. Once you're logged in, look to the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll see your profile avatar. Or, if you haven't set a profile picture, you'll see your initials displayed. Click on this icon to open a drop-down menu. From the menu, select the option labeled Track Time. Sometimes this option may be named slightly differently, but it will clearly relate to time tracking, so keep an eye out for it. Now, you'll be directed to the time tracking area. At the top of this page, you'll notice a couple of tabs or options below the header, including one labeled My Timesheet. Click on My Timesheet to access your personal time entries. This is where you'll find a detailed list of all the time you've tracked, organized for easy viewing. To navigate through your time entries, use the Date selector. This allows you to switch between different days or weeks depending on what time frame you want to review. It's a helpful tool for quickly jumping to a specific period and seeing what you worked on during that time. As you scroll through the list, you'll notice that each entry includes details like the task name, the amount of time spent, and any notes you've added. This gives you a clear and organized breakdown of how your time has been allocated. If your workspace has a lot of tasks, you can apply filters to narrow down the display. For instance, you can filter your time entries by space, scene, or tags. This makes it easy to focus on specific projects or categories without getting overwhelmed by too much information. If you need to make changes to any of your entries, you may be able to edit or delete them directly, provided your workspace permissions allow you to do so. This is especially useful if you've made an error or need to adjust your time tracking for accuracy. For those who want a broader overview or need to check team totals, switch to the Dashboard tab. This section provides a higher-level summary that's great for monitoring overall time management and collaboration within your team. And that's it. If you don't already have a ClickUp account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and start tracking your time today. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.